When we press plus button, the amount and price will increase. When we press minus button, the amount and price will decrease. And when the amount turns to 0, the minus button will turn to disable. Also, when we press these arrows, the products will change like that. When we hover this CDA, yeah, that's shopping cart, it turns to plus, and when we press on it, we will see here 2. Okay, they are bind together, so the amount is 3. Here we have 3, and again when we press this shopping cart, we will have this. Let's create this lovely, interesting and professional prototype together. I am demo. So we have a frame here, desktop size 1440 and 1040, yes, width and height. Here we have a header. The height is 120 pixels with a really gentle shadow, yes, x0, y0, blur 4 and opacity 20%. And here we have an icon that shows the cart items 1, 2, 3, 4, that's shopping cart. And here we have a typography, and bottom of that we have something that's an object, that's a shape, that's rectangle that gives the feeling to the user that's like a fluid, that's like a water things, yeah, that's like look like a juice. I designed it with the rectangle, yes. When you double click on that, you see that you can find some points on that, yes. And then you click on that with bend the tool on the left top. You click on that, see, when you or hold control key, see, that's amazing. You can create it this, okay. You should play with that, and then it would be better and better. Okay, so here we have the cans. These are our products. I select all of them, and here we have 4 rectangle. Press on that, create multiple components, and then combine as variants. Okay, so I go and give them the states. The property name is taste. I think taste is the best one. So these 3 are watermelon. These 3 are berry. These 3 are lemon. These 3 are orange. These 3 are strawberry. And now I want to give another property which names is size, yes, because here we have 3 different sizes. The default is big. These are, I can give the small, and these 5s are X small. So nice, so good. So here we have the category of that. Okay, I choose the watermelon, bring it in the frame, and I need a circle here, yes. So from this toolbar, I choose a rectangle, and see here is ellipse, or I press O on the keyboard and I can draw a circle. But if you see that it's not really aligned, so I hold Shift and Alt key, then see there, that's really a real circle. So I give 700 pixels to that, 700 to 700 pixels. Change the color to white and bring it in the frame. See, I think I want to put it here. That's very nice and beautiful. Then I paste again my product here. I aligned it with the circle to the center, horizontal align. Alt H, or here from this right panel I can choose this one, or Alt H. So I have 5 products. I copy and paste this one, or I press Ctrl D. This one, 1, 2, okay. Then I bring it here, 3. Here we have 4, and this one is the 5th products. So 2 of them I want to change the size to small, and 2 of them change them to X small. Very good. So again, I put this one in the middle, Alt H, align it to the middle, to the center. These 2 I change, one of them should change to berry, the other change to berry to the lemon, the other one changed to orange, and the other one changed to strawberry. Very good. So I put the orange here. That's okay. That's very good. Okay, I can change it to orange, and this one to lemon. Very good. Okay, now I want to draw it, to design it like a circle. So I give these things, I give the degree, the angle, yes, the rotation. Here I change to -60 degree, yes, on the right panel, and this one to 60 degree, and align them here. So far so good. And these two I change them to -120 degree, and this one 120 degree. So nice, so good. So let's design them very well. First of all, on the left panel, I want to give them a name, rename them watermelon. This one is watermelon. This one is berry. This one is orange. Because we want to prototype them, and it is important to have them to find them by name. Berry, and this one is lemon. Yes, lemon. Very good, very nice. So I put them here, and this 2 1. If you see that, that's very, very tidy. Bring them down and left, down a little bit left. So I can align these two things with this. Align right, I press Alt D, and align left, Alt S. Excuse me, Alt A. Yeah. So these two are very good. The distance 70. It can goes to 80. And these two Alt S, that's okay. 80 pixels from the left. That's very good. These two Alt W align to top, and these two Alt S align to down. Yeah, bottom align. That's very good. I turn the opacity to 0, guys, on the right layer, path through 0, and bring them out of the frame. I hold Shift and see. So don't make this. They should be look like this. But guys, don't make this mistake. For example, when you bring it here, drag and draw. This is not out of the frame. See that? When I click on desktop, these two are out of desktop. They should stay here. So with hold Shift Control, or when you want to drag, hold space. Yeah. In this way, you can bring them out of this. So I pass through. Sorry. Where are them? Lemon and strawberry. Pass through, for example, to, I said 50%. Let's see what will happen. Okay, very good, very nice, up to here. Now I want to put the select. Here I want to change the product and bring it to top. This one, Alt W, and from the right, I think 12 is okay. 12 pixels, and this one 12 pixels. Very good, very nice. And now I want to have these selectors. Yes, so I have here these 3 selectors for -1. I select these 2 and make them create multiple components and then combine as variant. Yes, this one is disable and this one is enable, and that's for positive. So let's do something. I bring it here and then select this one and bring it here. Very good. And add a number, for example 1. That would be 32 for the font size. 32 is okay. 32 medium, that really works, or 40 for example. Very good. I select 3 of them, Shift A to make them auto layout, and then the between them it should change to 0, but let me give more space to 1 because maybe it turns to 10, 20, 12, and put it in the middle. Very good, very nice. Up to here it works, and I turned it to the component. Yes, that's very good. But the plus button should go to the right and negative button should turn to the left. I Control C and bring it here. Bring it here. Very good, amazing. Then I need the price. I write, for example, $, and then for example, each bottle is $4. I don't know, it's expensive or not. Very good. Then I select these 2 and hold press Shift A to make them auto layout. The distance, yes, the space between them, gap, yes, is 12 pixels. And then I need a CTA here, this CTA. I select these two and make them components and then variants. Then I say that Ctrl C and bring it here. I say that why I make them variable, and so then Shift A, then 12 pixels gap, then 12. Very good. Bring it here. Amazing, amazing, nice. That's, I think, very good. I align everything. I really love it. That's beautiful. Let's see the result. That's here, huh? That's okay. It works. We have it. So now a little bit, we want to make it interactive. Okay. When I press this button, turns up. When I press this button, let's turns down. The amount, yeah, decrease and increasing. So I say that here, before that, I have to define some local variables. So I press and this one, open variable, create variable, number. I say that amount to, for example, 1. And then another variable number, I say that price. For example, each can is $4. So here, let me bring this one here. I want to close this variable and I say that. So before that, I have to bind this this price to the variable. So I click on this text on the right panel here, text, this icon, yes, apply variable. I click on that and choose amount. And this one, 4, I click again, apply variable and choose price. After that, I come here and press on the plus button. I go to prototype, click on the interaction plus button, and I say that set variable. On which variable I should do some action. I set that on amount. And I said that when I click on that, amount should be what? Addition to 1. So let's see, it works. Very nice, it works. And I do these things for the negative, interactions, prototype interactions, plus, unclick, set variable, amount, so amount subtraction 1, to see what will happen. Very good. So guys, if you see that, we have another problem. It turns to negative. We want to stop that. Why should change to negative? Up to 0, that's not logical. So I clean all of them. Again, I go to interaction, but instead this time I use conditional. I said that if amount is greater than 1, so do some action. Now set variable amount is amount -1. See that? Let's test. Now it doesn't work when it's 1. So we can say that not 1, we can say that 0. Okay, now we want to do something that when we press on the minus button, it change, yes, to disable. Yes, that's change to disable. So we go here, and here in the conditions, we write else set variable. We add here, add an action else, set variable is enabled to false. See, let's go and test it. See, it turns to disable. But we have another problem. When we press on the plus, again, it's disabled. So we come here on the plus button. We add another thing. We add what? We add conditional here. We add conditional and write if is enabled equal to false, then what the action, change it what to true, is enabled to true. So let's go and test it. Wow, amazing, it works, guys. So I think we should do something here. Yeah, that's okay. We should write here equal, let's make it better, greater or equal to 0. Then let's see. Oh, oops, so we made a mistake. Equal to 1, equal to 1, then we will have this thing. Yes, very good, very nice. That's okay, but 0 is better. Let's turns it to 0. Okay guys, so here we have this action, and now we want to do something that when we add, for example, we add the amount changed to 2, so the price must change to $8. So let's go, we do something here. We say that when we add this one, yes, we say that here we have an action. So we say that set variable, on which variable we want to do something, price. We say that on price, we say that amount multiply, yeah, amount to 4. Yes, let's see that 8, 12, yes, 16. But for negative, we can write another thing here. We had that here, and another action, set variable. On price, we say that price minus 4. Yes, price minus 4. So 4, 12, 2, 8, 0, 1, and that's 0. That works, and that's very interesting. So now we want to add it to the basket, to the shopping cart. So here we have, here I say that when I hover, while hovering and click, we say that while hovering turns to this thing. Yes, let's go and see that. Very good. And I want to say that when I add this cart, yes, here turns to, for example, the number will appear. So I bind this number on the card to the amount. Yes, I bind it to the amount here. See, amount. And I say that when I press this one, it comes here, but like what? That should comes like open overlay. That's overlay, and moving from the left here, moving from the left, and add background on it. Okay, add background where top right, top left, top right, top right. Yes, so let's see that. I click on it. See, it works, but it's not bind to the amount. What's the problem here? What's the problem here? Turns to amount. Yes, it should work. Very good. Now it works, I think. See, it's 4 because here the amount is 4. Not why 4? It should to turn. Amount is 2. Why? Let's see. No, sorry. It turns. Why price? It should bind to amount. Yeah. Now it's 2. Very good. Now it's 3. Very nice, very good. So see that the background is blurred. Let me show it better. When I click here and, for example, turn it to, for example, 80%, see what will happen. That's the dark. See, 25 is okay. Or also we can say, for example, 35%. See, amazing. That's very good. That's very nice. Okay, now we want to do some things. When I press this arrow, the products change. Watermelon comes instead of orange, and down, and then a berry should come to the first and big. So I duplicate it, Control D, we have it here actually, and then I make it bigger. So here we have orange, berry, this one is lemon, and this one is strawberry. I turn them to 5%. That's okay, yes. Lemon, strawberry, orange, berry, and watermelon. So this one, the orange, come here. Yes. Instead of lemon, I turned it to negative 120. And the size turns to small. Yes. See that? Exactly here. Let's move it here, exactly here. Then I bring lemon. Do you remember that I named them because of here? Yes. And I turn the opacity to 5%. And lemon will turns to 120 positive. Lemon here, strawberry. Then I bring strawberry top, not strawberry. Where is that strawberry? Yes. Strawberry comes here, turns opacity turns to 100. And then 60 degree, yes, the angle, this one here, the rotation come here and turns to small here. Very good, very nice. And after that we will have berry. Berry comes here, turns to big, and rotation 0 degree, exactly here. And then oops, berry comes here. Very nice, very good. And the watermelon comes here, negative 60 degree, and I adjust them. And let's first of all turn it to small, and I select both of them. I press Alt S, so align from bottom. Then the distance is here, the gap should be 80. 80 is okay. 80 from the right, 80 from here. Very good. That's for the second one. I do something, this one should come here, this one should come here. No matter, anyway, that really works. So I say that 24, and this one, I back it to size. I say this one. When I click on that, it should come in Smart Animate 500 milliseconds, and this one Smart Animate 500 milliseconds. Let's see the result. Yes, let's see the result. See, very good, it works. Let me do for all of them. The video will go faster. Okay, let's see the result. Back, watermelon, berry, strawberry, lemon, orange, watermelon. Amazing, amazing. That's wonderful, guys. That's wonderful. We can add the products. We can turn them. Wow. So the plus, the minus. That's amazing. 2 here. That's amazing. I really love it. That means that you are a professional person. We can do something more. For example, we can draw this thing here, like a nav bar. We can draw a nav bar here. On the top, we can have we can add a frame here, guys. Exactly 120. And then we can, for example, give the color to this and put it here. Very good, very nice. We can copy this one to here. Exactly, we can put it here on the right. See, let me change the color to this one. Very good. And then we can have this arrow and bring it here, but without any prototyping. Let's delete the prototyping. That's work. And let's make it smaller, guys. For example, 56 to 56. I think that's very nice. Love it, love it. So beautiful. Let's turn the color to white. Then we can have something here. I will give it, for example, this color to this one, and let's make the border of that. Let's make it 300 to 300. Let's, for example, imagine we select this product and we bring it here, change the color to small. That's very good. And we can put, let's draw something here. Very good. Nice. We can say, for example, here, underline, write the product. For example, that's watermelon okay, and for example $4, okay, each product. Anyway, you can do something, and here you can write total products. That's here, total price, I mean. Let's make it smaller. That's okay. And here you can copy this one because it's binded to the amount of price, and because it's bind to the variables. And then we can have CTA here. Let's draw a CTA, fill, I can draw it to white and give it order, for example. I write finalize order. Yes, finalize order. I shift A, 12 for up, 12 for right, 24 and 16. And for example, imagine that if you press this button, it finalizes your order. Yes, we can say that. So when we click here, this one, I mean here, you can draw it here and say that again. Here we can say that open swap overlay. Yes, swap overlay and smart animate moving from left. Yes, let's see what will happen. For example, imagine that we are here and I add here, then oof, amazing, that's here 2 and order 8. And when you finalize, you can do something else. For example, we say that when I finalize it, when I press finalize, or when I press, for example, this one, you can do some action or so. Hope that you love it. Thank you for watching me. Share it to your friend and write comment for me. Give me energy. This is Demo. Thank you for your watching. I love you so much.